Today we have to discuss about the models. What do you mean by model? Model means is a collection of functions, okay, collection of programs. Already predefined program will be imported, so we will import it and access from here itself. Okay, say for example, it is a predefined function math.py. So lot of Python definition programs is available. Okay, we can call it anywhere to other program, other program we can call it. It's predefined. You see this square root dot args comma star kv kw args like that. Okay, this function is called from outside any program. It's a predefined program. That is a predefined program. We can import anywhere. Okay, say that's why we have created the function.py program. This is a function.py. I created two definitions x plus y. So here itself sub x comma y, return value is x minus y. Okay, I created one of the program addition.py. Okay, I import fun. That is a program fun.py. Okay, and I give the input from outside. A equal to input, enter A, B equal to input, enter B like that. Okay, and then print the amount, add amount, and I want to connect this. This is the add amount 136 and subtraction amount is 20. This is a way you have to call from anywhere within the directory. You can call from anywhere. You can get into the function. So that's a it has a math.py is we call it a inbuilt function. Okay, inbuilt function we can call it from anywhere, square root like that. Okay, thank you. We see next video.